This is the Panasonic DG Lumix 9mm f1.7 lens. This is part of the LEICA DG range of lenses, which means that it's designed to have fantastic optical quality. Inside there are two aspherical elements, two ED elements and one UHR lens, which helps to minimise any aberrations and gives great resolving power. Because of the cropped sensor in micro four thirds cameras, it's easy to make your lenses longer. For example, this is a 200mm lens on a full frame sensor and a 200mm lens on a micro four thirds sensor. The problem with that 2x crop factor is wide focal lengths are harder to come by. So having a 9mm lens offers a lot of width. It means you can shoot landscapes and architecture, but it's also a great focal length for shooting video. This lens also offers users something a little bit different for something of this focal length. You can actually get really close. The minimum focusing distance is just 9.5 centimeters, which offers 0.5 times magnification. And with that f1.7 aperture, not only is shooting in lower light conditions easier, but as you can be so close, you can also get some really nice out of focus areas. The 9mm does have a dust and splash proof design and a smooth manual focus ring, which is really nice to use whilst shooting video. If you'd like to find out more about the Panasonic DG Lumix 9mm f1.7 lens, then take a look at our website. We've popped a link in the description below, or of course you can pop a comment here and we'll try our best to get back to you with all the information you need. For now, a big thank you for watching, and I hope you join us again soon for some more videos from Wex Photo Video.